Today we're going to be taking a look at the best hitch options available for the 1995 to 2004 Toyota Tacoma. Here we have the Curt, part number 13013. This is going to be a class 3, 2-inch by 2-inch receiver tube opening. Same with the Draw-Tite, 2-inch by 2-inch receiver tube opening. Part number here is 75078. As you can see, both of our hitches are extremely similar in design. There are going to be a few very minor differences that we'll be able to talk with you about, starting with the reinforcement collar around the end of each. You'll notice that the Draw-Tite is going to have a more rounded reinforcement collar, where the Curt has a more squared off look. Another thing that's going to be slightly different is going to be the end of the receiver tube and the pinhole on the Curt are going to be about an inch further back, closer to the rear of the vehicle than what we're going to get with our Draw-Tite. That means our Draw-Tite is going to be a little bit more tucked in, the Curt's going to be a little bit more visible. You'll probably notice on the Draw-Tite there's also 2 holes. Now the larger hole is going to be just the same as it is on our Curt. It's 5/8 of an inch in diameter, and that's what we're going to use to secure all of our items in place. The smaller hole, located a little bit closer to the rear on the Draw-Tite, is for use just with the J-pin stabilization system, which is a form of anti-rattle device available. Now we also have a couple minor differences in the weight ratings of each of our hitches. With the Curt, we're going to have a 500-pound tongue weight rating, so that's the maximum downward force we can put at our receiver tube opening, and it gives us a gross trailer weight rating of 5,000 pounds. Now that's going to be the total weight of your trailer, anything you might load up on it. When we go to the Draw-Tite, we're going to have the same 500-pound tongue weight rating, 5,000-pound gross trailer weight rating. When we switch into a weight distribution setup, if you're going to be using that, our Curt's going to be 600 and 6,000. The Draw-Tite's going to be 550 and 5,500. Now one thing you do want to keep in mind is you don't want to exceed your vehicle's weight limit. Our hitches might be rated a little bit higher, but we want to go off whichever set of numbers is lower. Now in taking a look at the differences and kind of comparing the hitches for you, I definitely think the Curt's going to be a pretty clear victor here. It's going to work out better in my mind for towing and also for recreational use. Recreationally, just because everything's an inch further out, so it gets any accessory you might be using further away from the rear of the vehicle. And on the towing side, it's going to start with the same weight rating as our Draw-Tite. However, if we go into a weight distribution setup, we've got a little bit higher weight ratings to use. And that's going to complete our look at the best hitches available for the Toyota Tacoma.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.